Lovers Pro, your #1 lovers professor on YouTube. How do you psychologically get her to like you? Dating the woman you want and getting her to like you is usually a challenge for many guys. Indeed, liking a woman is easy, but getting her to like you back could be a bit more challenging. Especially if the attraction is initially absent, or not as intense. It would require you to employ certain psychological tricks to nudge her feelings, and make her more inclined to like you. Regardless of what kind of person she is, it's not that simple to get her to fall for you. However, with the psychological tricks explained in this video, you can get any woman to like you. But how can you correctly use these tricks to make a woman like you? In this video, we will explore the answers to your burning questions. Welcome to Lovers Pro, your #1 lovers professor on YouTube. In this video, you'll learn the 10 psychological tricks to get her to like you. Making a woman attracted to you can be as easy as having an amazing life and asking her to join. But there are many psychological techniques and persuasion methods to make her want to be your girlfriend. These techniques have been proven to make a girl subconsciously be attracted to you and want to be around you more. Learning how to make a girl like you, along with increasing your own likability, will eventually make your dating life much easier and better. But how can you correctly use these tricks to make a woman like you? In this video, we will explore the answers to your burning questions and reveal the psychological tricks to make her fall for you. Watch this video till the end to learn how to indicate and understand these tricks. Towards the end of this video, we added a bonus tips on the one thing you must avoid in order not to get her running the other direction. Be sure to watch this video till the end so you'll know the right moves to make. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here are the 10 psychological tricks to get her to like you and fall for you. 1. Let her see that other girls appreciate you. If you're wondering how to get a popular girl to like you, or how to make a girl jealous and want you back, this trick is for you. Women are attracted to high-value men with a lot of options. When a girl notices that other girls like you, your value immediately increases in her eyes. This can make the difference between a girl who is not interested in you, and a girl who sees you as a potential lover. It can even get you out of the friend zone, or get a girl to like you after she has rejected you. Don't think that the girl is going to stop being interested in you if she starts noticing that you might end up with other girls. It's the opposite that happens. The more girls that are chasing you, the crazier the girl you want is going to be about you. 2. Be playful. Being playful is an effective way to break the ice with a girl you like. You make her experience some emotions, and associate these emotions to you. She feels that you're a guy she can have fun with, and you're not boring like all those guys who take her too seriously. By being playful, you let her see that you don't really care, you have many other opportunities, and she's not all that important to you. In other words, you don't attach too much importance to the outcome of the interaction. You're not like the needy guy who's so afraid of what she might think of him, that he doesn't dare to play with her, or tease her. Not only is this guy boring, but his behavior also makes him look needy. So, don't be afraid to play with her. 3. Don't make her your priority. If you make a girl your #1 priority, she's going to sense that she's your only option. And because she will realize that you'll be way too invested in her, she gets turned off. So, instead of making your world revolve around her, focus on what really matters, your life, and the life of your community. Have some higher goals. Have something big to focus on. Fight for something more important and interesting than women. Fight for your vision. She will notice this, and will be drawn toward you. 4. Have some mystery. If you're wondering how to make a woman feel like she's losing you, or how to make a girl miss you like crazy, this trick is for you. Mystery is a very powerful tool when it comes to making a woman want you. It allows her to use her imagination in a way that is going to make her crazy about you. She's going to imagine all sorts of scenarios. Some scenarios involving you and her, as well as some scenarios involving you and other girls. This is going to trigger jealousy in her, and as a result, she's going to become obsessed with you. So, keep some of the mystery alive. Don't tell her everything about you, don't let her be certain about your intentions, don't always answer her texts right away. Leave some doubt in her, and that's how you'll make her think about you constantly. 5. Be a challenge. If the woman feels that she's your whole world, she is not going to be attracted. She's not going to be really aroused. But if she sees you as a challenge, that's another story. Feeling that she's going to have to struggle a little bit to please you, is going to stimulate her. It's going to make her want to pursue you, and it's going to make her want to chase you. So, make sure she doesn't get the feeling that the game has been won, right from the beginning. Remember, towards the end of this video, we added a bonus tips on the one thing you must avoid, in order not to get her running the other direction. Be sure to watch this video till the end, so you'll know the right moves to make. 6. Don't try to be her friend. One thing to understand when it comes to making a woman like you is that, you should not try to become her friend. If you want her to like you, then it's because you want something to happen with her. You want her to be your girlfriend. You don't just want to have nice conversations around a cup of tea. If you want her to like you in such a way as to become your girlfriend, you must get her to see you as a potential lover, and not as a potential friend. If you behave like a friend around her, you're going to be just her friend. If you treat her like a potential friend, and not like a potential girlfriend, she's going to see you as just a potential friend. So, don't fall into the trap of wanting to befriend her, before making your move. You should make her realize right from the beginning, that something is going on between you and her. But don't be all over her in a way that makes you look needy. You should never behave like a desperate guy who would do anything to get her. If you do this, you're not going to attract her. You're only going to accomplish the opposite, turn her off, and push her away. Women are not attracted to low-value guys with no options. What attracts women are high-value men with lots of options. So, if you want to make a woman want you, don't give her the feeling that she's your only option. 7. Use the obsession push-pull method. The obsession push-pull method is specifically designed to provoke a girl's mind, so that she can develop this positive feelings toward you. When you use this unique method, you leave the girl craving for you, and it becomes easier to engage her in a sweet conversation. This method provokes a reaction from girls, since it appeals to their subconscious mind, thereby triggering different stimuli. In most cases, your body speaks volumes about your personality, which makes the girl decide if you're the right type for her or not. You should master the skill of using body language that can trigger response from the girl. For instance, you can use the trick of looking at her lips when she's talking, and you will observe a sensual response. 8. Wear red when going on a date. When you're going for a night out with a girl, carefully consider your dress, since it's something that turns a girl on. You should always wear red, since this color symbolizes love and passion, and it also presents good energy. Wearing red makes you attractive, and the girl you're dating will feel special, and happy to be in your company. 9. Have a positive personality. Women are attracted to guys with positive personality, than those who always displays a depressing personality. When you can make her smile or laugh, then you're the right one, since women are not interested in dull moments. When you're around her, try to make the occasion lively and fun, such that she will automatically like your company. You should become more confident, and always show the positive side of your personality, so that she can like you. 10. Utilize the reverse psychology. If you want to draw the attention of a woman, you can use the technique of reverse psychology. This is when you present a challenging situation for her, so that she can pay attention to you. For instance, you can tell her that you're not the right person for her, or you're not easy to get. She will make an effort to try to understand why you're saying that, thereby developing a keen interest to know you better. This way, you can draw her attention, and she will ultimately like you. Getting a woman to like you can be a challenge, and the fear of being rejected is the worst scenario every man can ever take lightly. However, with these psychological tricks, you can win any girl you have a crush on. Those are the 10 psychological tricks to get her to like you. Now our bonus tips. Here is the one thing you must avoid, in order not to get her running the other direction. Avoid not smiling. Smiling is one of the most inviting things you can do, because it puts her at ease. So, if you want to get a woman to like you, start with giving her a smile. That smile will bring her guards down enough to finally chat, and start the chemistry between you two. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. Click the bell icon, so that you won't miss any of our interesting videos. We love your comments and feedback. Put your comments in the comments section below. Remember, we will be glad if you share this video. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.